Here's zany Z. Z, 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 z.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
Yes. Now here are some Z words. Z, z, zoo. Z, z, zigzag. Z, z, zany. Z, z, zipper. Z, z, zebra. Now it's time for you to spot the letter Z in the words. Ready? Jazz, zucchini, zombie, fizz, lazy, size, zinnia. Nice. Let's write the Z. Z is the short letter, so we start from the red broken line. And it's like the word zigzag. It goes zigzag. So, start from the red broken line. We go one line, sleeping line, and then we go a diagonal line and another sleeping line on the blue solid line. Did you see it? Let's do it again. So, sleeping line, diagonal line, sleeping line. One more time. Sleeping line, diagonal line, sleeping line. Awesome. Now you do it while you say it. Go. One more time. Awesome. See you in the next letter. Bye. Like and subscribe.